My name is Petronella West. I'm the founder and CEO at Investment Quorum. When we founded Investment Quorum, it was a critical time for a change in financial services. It was the removal of commission and it was the arrival of professional qualifications. And one of our key focuses and objectives for the business, that clients would be able to have a relationship of longevity with us, not just a transaction, not just selling products, but getting true, honest and good financial advice. We give advice on a wide variety of areas. We particularly give advice to entrepreneurs starting businesses, selling businesses, clients at retirement. It's a very complicated area. We also give advice to young professionals starting their career and starting their families. And we give advice to older clients looking to pass on wealth and inheritance tax planning. And we particularly help clients facing tough challenges, divorce, death and sickness, all complex areas that need a financial advisor. Every client in Investment Quorum is different. They have different needs, they have different wants. And at Investment Quorum, we tailor all of our services to what that client specifically needs. It's a high level of contact, it's a high level of personal service. We dig deep to understand what the client really wants, how the client understands that information. We do that by using cutting-edge technology in the back office to ensure that we can spend a lot of time face-to-face with our clients. I've learnt one thing in my 35 years in financial services, and that is trust arrives on a bicycle and leaves in a Ferrari. It's very easy to lose trust, and it takes a long time to gain it. Trust is built up over time by having frank and honest conversations, by being there when the client really needs you most. Culture is really important at Investment Quorum. We look after our people, and our people look after our clients, and that is the fundamental and most important thing to me. My passions outside work are running after my 2 teenage children. I love playing the piano, and I cook a mean Sunday roast.